right now it is on sale for $399. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kelo. What?
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Before we begin, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button and
hit the like button, please. It really helps YouTube push our videos up in the algorithm. And don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these awesome videos.
So today we're gonna have an unboxing review of something I have no idea.
He has no idea.
Because this is what he likes to do.
Yes!
He brings some stuff and it's in a box and I don't know what it is.
Be very careful with the box.
Oh.
Be very careful with the box. So I took it upon myself to order something that I need. Why do I need this? Because I got a call from Sprint not too long ago.
It's a phone! I knew it! I knew.
Yes, you see, look at you see this?
I knew it.
This is the face you wanna see.
I knew it.
This is why we pay hundreds of dollars for a product so that you can get this reaction.
So Sprint, if you want to sponsor, oh my God, Sprint is no longer.
Exactly. So you didn't let me finish. So Sprint called me telling me that they were gonna give me a free phone line, which I told you, call them back. They're gonna give you a free phone line. And you didn't call them, so you didn't get a free phone line. Right before Sprint went dead, by the way. So, after that, I went ahead and I purchased a little something.
Let's open up.
You wanna do it?
Yes,
Wait.
I do.
You ready? You sure? Wait, espérate. All right, so go ahead, you know. Surprise, surprise.
You actually got a phone?
I got a phone! I know I didn't want to tell you. Yes! So I got a phone. I got the Motorola Edge 5G.
What? You actually got a phone?
Yeah. But I want to go over a couple of things before you open it. So I'm going to give you the opportunity to do it.
All right, give me.
All right,
give me
so a couple of questions. The Motorola Edge. Is this a 5G phone?
Yes.
Okay, great.
It's already been established.
Great. Second question. How much storage do you think this phone comes with?
Natively?
Yeah, built into the phone.
I'd say it's got, I was gonna say 250, but I'm gonna go with 500 gigs. 500 gigs on this bad boy.
You were gonna be right.
And I was gonna trick him because I was gonna say 500, but I was gonna stay with 250. This is a 250 gig phone.
256 gigabyte storage on that phone.
I'm liking it. Continue.
I know you just want to open it. Go ahead and open it. Go ahead and do it. I see you like just.
I just want to open the phone. I cannot believe you got a phone. You didn't tell me you got a phone. I really did.
Okay.
All right, let's see what's inside first. So they give you a nice little envelope, right, that you can put your glasses in.
No, it's not.
Oh, you get a
case.
You get a free case with a phone?
It comes with a free case, bro.
Wow.
I know normally people think the what's in there is like the little.
I thought it was glasses.
Yeah, some memo thing. No, but it comes with. It's not the best case, but it's something
it's free
to protect it. So it comes with that. Now, while you're opening that up, let me ask you something. How much do you think this phone is worth? So 256 gigs, right?
Paperwork.
5G. It comes with 90 hertz refresh rate on the screen.
On this phone?
On this phone, 90 hertz refresh rate. It is 6.7 inch size on the screen. So you wanna take that out. How does it feel?
I'm just going crazy because you actually had a free phone. Actually feels pretty good. It's light.
Let me see.
It's really light.
Wow. Yeah.
It's big, but it's not bulky.
It's not bulky.
So you don't have to have big hands to hold it. I don't have the biggest hands. I mean, I have medium-sized hands, so it feels comfortable. For you, it's probably like holding a toothpick.
No, I think it's comfortable enough for me. But can you put it on the case? So let's put it on the case. So it has 90 hertz refresh rate. It also comes with 6.7-inch display screen, and it has a 64 meg camera.
So
I know you don't know what to do, right?
So I think,
yeah,
in terms of pricing,
yes,
this phone, it's a Google phone.
Well, it is an Android phone, yes.
It's a Motorola.
It's a Motorola phone, yeah.
Motorola's trying to get back into business, right? Motorola's trying to compete, and they can't charge too much. I think this phone, which is actually a pretty decent phone, could go for $200.
$200. You're out of your mind. That phone's retail price is $699.
And then I was gonna say, psych, it's about maybe $600.
But right now it is on sale for $399.
I was close. You see, I knew it.
It is on sale for $399. This phone is on sale for $399.
That's nice because you can't get a phone for $300. Right?
I mean, it is not like up there like specs for like an ultimate phone or flagship, but the phone itself, I think, is just wow. It does feel great on the hand.
It does.
It's just like it's very, very light. It has the USB-C charger. It does come with 4500 battery. What is that?
Milliamp battery?
Yeah. So it comes with 4500 milliamp battery. So
the one thing that I noticed on this phone is it still has the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack.
You beat me to it.
And I am a fan of that. I still don't.
Yes.
I can't get over how they're trying to get rid of him. So this is a good buy for me. So what else comes in the box? Just the power adapter.
The power adapter
and
the cable charger. It is 25 watts, so you can get up to 40%. Yeah, 40% in about 20-25 minutes.
Oh, that's nice.
We're about to find out. The other thing that I wanted to mention, it comes with 6 gigabytes of RAM memory.
Pretty good.
And it comes with the 765 Qualcomm processor.
So my thing here is this. Where is the headphones?
Well, you can get
Where are the headphones?
Did Samsung give you headphones when you bought yours?
Well, they had a sale, and
no, you did not get headphones. This one at least came with what? A basic, simple cover, but I'm happy and I'm excited for it.
All right,
so you want to try and turn it on?
Are we gonna do? Wait, are we doing this a full review, or we're gonna just an unboxing?
We're just gonna do the unboxing now.
So let's just turn it on and see what it looks like.
All right, so here you have, it is, listen, I'm a huge fan of Motorola. The Motorola Flip was one of my favorite phones ever. So I'm really happy, I'm really excited. I really like Motorola's technology. They have a lot of little quick, the quick twist and turn and things like that. I have to connect it. I have to still get the SIM card. So you'll probably be getting a more in-depth review later on about the Motorola Edge. So we just wanted to tell people right now, during this time, you can get a good deal. It is about $400. I got a better deal because I had a $100 gift card from Amazon. So I used that gift card to get it, so it turned out to be a lot less. So
I like it. One of the things that I noticed before we go, the power has a little notch on it. So you could tell if you touch it. You know how when you're trying to touch the volume or because they're in the same size, this phone, and I'm gonna show you in a second, when you touch it, you can tell which one's a power and which one's a volume. I've never seen that on a phone. Grab it. Try to turn, the power is the one with the notch and the volume is not.
Yeah.
So when you're trying to get your phone and you're gonna get something right away, it'll tell you this is a power, this is a volume. That is a little neat trick.
Yes.
So Motorola, you gotta vote. I mean, I like that. Those little helpful things. What about those 3 cameras? You didn't tell me anything about those 3 cameras.
So the camera, as I mentioned, it comes with a 64 megapixel wide angle camera. So if you are into getting wide angle shots, I can't wait to test it out. This is something that is just, I'm just going crazy.
So it has 4 cameras in the back?
So it has an ultra wide, high res optical zoom and a macro vision. For those of you that want to get those up close shots.
Like that. You don't normally get on the cameras. You can only get those wide angle.
So I'm like, listen, I'm just really hyped up. I need to go to Sprint. I didn't know.
There's no more Sprint.
I need to go to T-Mobile to buy a SIM card for this phone. So once we get the SIM card, once we do that, then I'll definitely come back and sort of give you a quick update and review on this phone. So,
alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the channel.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you everyone for being here. If you found this video helpful, let us know down below if you're currently using a Motorola. What is your favorite phone? Is it Motorola? Is it Samsung? Is it LG? Leave us a comment down below and let us know what is your favorite phone.
We'll see you on the next one.
Team Keller, what?